All right, we are at this beautiful rocky beach close to Torpesand strand, and it is time for a beach adventure here at this beautiful magical place. It is a super hot day, so let's get going and take a swim here in the Baltic Sea at Torpesand, actually Björnö Nature Reserve that you can see. Alright, let's not wait any longer and take a swim right away. Let's go! Alright, it is super amazing and nice in the water. It is 17 degrees Celsius in the water currently, and we have 24 degrees in the air. So super warm and hot day out on the sea. And there is even a small island over here that I'm gonna step on actually. And this location is just 500 meters away from the main beach, Torpesand strand, that you can see over there. That is a sandy beach, and it is overcrowded on this hot sunny day, so that's why I opted for this beautiful rocky beach in the Björnö Nature Reserve. Let's check out this island as well and step on it, one of the 260,000 islands in the Stockholm archipelago. As we are in Värmdö right now, out on the open sea, and this would be a challenge to get up on this island, as it is very cliffy, as you can see, but let's work it out somehow. And I'm on a different island right now. Look at that, it's amazing. Beautiful out on the open sea. We can see some houses there that are practically on the cliffs, and they have stairs to the sea, which is super amazing indeed. Right, yes, so I'm once again in Björnö Nature Reserve, like yesterday, because it is so beautiful here. There are so many beautiful places to explore, and this is the first time I'm on this very spot, so I'm definitely going to enjoy my swim here out on the sea. And yes, it is beach number 109 on this 30th of July 2024. As I mentioned, Torpesand strand was quite busy today. I was there. It's so many people. If you walk out just a bit along the coast, you can find your own place here in this beautiful nature. Alright, let's then go in again here for a swim from this tiny island that I have conquered right now, and enjoy a bit more in the sea and show you what kind of sea life there is here at Torpesand and this beautiful nature reserve out on the Baltic Sea. Let's go! It's amazing. It's so nice and beautiful. Look at that. That was the island, and that's the rocks that behind the rocks that I am chilling right now. We can see all the way to Torpesand strand and to the snorkeling trail, snorkelet, and even furthermore more to Björkvik and even Stora Sankt and Lilla Sankt. I can see lots of people right here. Amazing. Cool. Then let's dive in once again before I wrap up for today, because it's so beautiful. amazing. I'm loving it. I'm having the time of my life on this 30th of July in Stockholm. So that's a wrap from this episode from these beautiful rocks at Björnö Nature Reserve next to Torpesand Strand. Thanks so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!